Hey guys and girls, welcome back to another beautiful video on this beautiful channel, beautiful days, all good, it's nice sunny outside. What we're gonna do today is keep working on this map maker, and I figured out what the problem was from the last video. Now the issue was that the grid size is 51. I did it right the first time. I don't need these parentheses here actually. Okay, so just like that, I just increased the grid size by 1. As long as we're in the window UI, the grid size is going to be 51, and you have to update that here as well. So this selector in the window UI is going to be that way, and all of this just to not have to change the whole texture sheet. So in the window UI, you'll see now that everything's going to work fine. See how all of these are selected just perfectly, and I can select which one of these I want no matter what, and that will be great. I do want to draw it afterwards. The selector should be drawn afterwards. So where do I draw? Texture, selector, boom. Okay, so now we'll be able to select the texture. See, it's in front, and we can, as we press a button, we'll come back to our other thing, our window UI. So in update, add tiles, I want to add something called, maybe after add tiles or before add tiles actually, void update controls. Update controls. Now I want to put that after, actually I want to put that here. This update controls, general controls, put that after map update, update UI, update add tiles, map update, and this is just going to be our general stuff where we can do other stuff. This add tiles, update add tiles. I guess I'll do that in there. Update controls. Now the controls will be different, I think, depending on. Or actually, I'll leave that there. But we'll see. Fix it as it goes, as we go along. I wanted to do update controls. That means that if I click add tiles, is only gonna work when, so if this window UI, we're gonna have it one way, else some other way. This update add tiles, we'll put that in there. Remove it from here. Up here, when we select the tile, if this if mouse is button pressed, mouse left, I'm gonna do stuff, and this is a select a texture. Let's see. Selector int selector, the position in the pulse x, wait, texture selected x, texture selected y, wait, god damn it, what should I call this? It should be the point. Texture top left, texture top left, and then like the whole interact. It's gonna be 50 from that point. Texture X, texture Y. I think that's good names for it. Int, we'll just call it that. This texture X equals this. But as we do that, as we press this texture X, okay, well, alright, equals this mouse plus grid multiplied by this whole thing plus one bonanza. Grid add tiles, that's fine. It was up here somewhere. Just copy that, because this is a thingy. Grid.x. Just copy this. Y. Texture.y. There we go. That's good. That's good. So we'll be able to select that texture. We have to set it to 0 here though. Initialize UI. Selector this texture.x equals 0. This texture.y equals 0. Let's see. Let's see. So that's good. When I add a tile and update add tile, draw update add tile, the interact is going to be this texture X, this texture Y, and then 50-50. Just like that. Not 50-50. Wingman grid size. Actually. So that's gonna be the grid size for Wingman. And we have to make sure all the textures are in the grid size, the same size as that. Now what am I doing? I'm gonna just update that. I'm gonna set it. Now I don't have a button yet to, let me just see. Well, all that should work. What I need to do is I need a button to switch between these two. Update controls. If keyboard is key pressed, keyboard tab, this window UI true else false. It's true. I think we can write it this way. I think this means that if this window UI is true, then we'll set it to false, else we'll set it to true. I think that's all. Std cout this window UI, so we can actually see when it switches. So tab is good. Tab is good. Okay, we need key time. And this key time is greater or equal to this key time max, and then this key time equals 0, obviously. And now we'll be able to easily switch between those. Well, unless it's 1 all the time. Who cares? If this one equals true, if this window UI false, else this window UI true. Simple. It was simpler with the other way, but I don't really remember how to do that, so we'll just say this. Okay, I can add stuff, and I can select something, and now I could select another type of texture, and I created that tile. So this is good. This is really nice. This is really nice. I can select any tile and I will be able to draw that out. So it's good. Now, update controls. Update add tiles. Add remove tiles. Let's call that add remove tiles. Add remove tiles. Remove tiles. Wait, what am I doing? If else if right this stage remove tile at a column and an index. So that's what I'm gonna do. At a column and an index. A column and a index is all I'm gonna give. Let's go in stage. Stage.cpp and stage.h. Let's make a new function, stage.cpp, called remove tile. With stage remove tile at row and column. If row is greater than that's good. If this tile row is not null, remove at column. No tile in this position, in that position. So there we go. Copy this, go in here, tile remove tile. So we'll easily be able to remove and add tiles just through our stage class, and it will check if the column is greater and all that stuff. Out of bounds, add tile, remove tile, remove tile, and then we will see if it's not null, we'll remove it, else we will have a problem. So this tile is going to remove at that position. Now I don't remember how our tile array, how does it look in stage, by the way? It's a tile array. So I don't remember how our tile array removed stuff. If we remove something, it's gonna check the index, it's gonna delete the index, make it into a null pointer. Okay, so that's good. It's gonna make it into a null pointer. Let me just select this, and then we can remove stuff without any issue. It's gonna say no tile in that position. I can add new tiles in that place, and I can remove tiles. So for now, this is great. This is great. I can move the view around. I can easily switch tiles. I can easily do stuff. So that's how quickly I made a map editor, or started making it. Now we can, well, it all depends on how nice your textures and stuff are. I mean, I made these myself pretty quickly for my project, so they're pretty okay. Just make a little window there. You can do a little bit whatever you want. The whole basic idea is going to be, we're not going to be using all these tiles, but I could use tiles like these. You know, you can have like a grassy thingy here, and then you can have these drooping off like that somehow. Just different types of those, you know, just to make it look a little more random. Something like that. And obviously, you know, it's gonna look alright, I guess. I mean, nothing special. And yeah, we'll obviously have collision on these as well, and we'll fix that in the editor so we can set collision, set different types of blocks, all that stuff. But it is a good start. This is a good start. I want to add a background thing as well to stage, so you can have a background file and it will load that for you. But yeah, so thanks for watching, guys and girls. That's about it for this one. Adding, saving, and loading as well. But yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for all the support per usual. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. All right, bye bye.